Understanding the phrase, never forget, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and commonly used phrase in English, never forget. This phrase has various uses and nuances, and understanding them can greatly enhance your English comprehension and expression. So, let's dive in. Never forget is a phrase that combines the word never, meaning at no time in the future, and forget, which means to fail to remember. Together, they imply a strong determination or plea to always remember something or someone. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from personal memories to historical events. Never forget often carries a deep emotional or cultural significance. It's frequently used to remember important historical events, especially those involving tragedies or significant achievements. For instance, it's commonly associated with remembering the victims of the Holocaust or the 9/11 attacks. This phrase acts as a reminder of the past and a commitment to remembering the lessons learned from these events. In everyday conversations, never forget can be used more casually. For example, if someone shares an important piece of advice or a meaningful experience, you might say, "I'll never forget what you've told me." This shows that the information or experience is valued and remembered. There are variations and phrases similar to never forget that are also worth knowing. Phrases like always remember or forever in our hearts convey similar sentiments. Understanding these variations helps in both comprehension and expression, allowing you to convey similar sentiments with slight nuances. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, never forget, and its various uses in English. It's a powerful expression that's deeply rooted in emotional, cultural, and everyday contexts. Remember, learning a language is not just about words, but also about understanding the emotions and histories they carry. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.